Hello and good morning year one and welcome to today's maths lesson for Friday. Hope you're all doing well this morning, and today we're going to be looking to see if we can, so it says here, can you fill in the missing numbers? I know you guys are quite good at this, we've done quite a bit of this. I'm just going to give you a bit more practice, okay? First of all though, we're going to have a bit of a game, okay? And our game's called Bingo. So what I need you to do is, I need you to get your maths books, and in your maths books, at the top of your page, I want you to pick 3 numbers that are between 1 and 10. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to do that now. So pick any 3 numbers between 1 and 10, and then write them down at the top of your page. Okay, and what you're going to need to do is, I'm going to call out a number, and if I say your number, you can cross it out. So I'm going to show you here. So say if you've got the number 1, like that, and then I go, if you've got the number 1, you can cross it out. You can get your pen and cross it out. And I want you to see how many numbers I get through before you've crossed out all of your numbers. Okay? We're going to start off now. So I hope you've all got your numbers ready. The first number I'm going to say is number 8. Can you cross out your number 8 for me if you have that? Don't worry if not. You might not have it. We'll go on to your next number now. If you have the number 4, can you cross that out for me? And if you have the number 1, can you cross that out for me? So some people might have already finished. If you have that, it's super good number picking. Well done. If you have the number 5, cross that out now. If you have the number 3, cross that out now. If you have the number 9, you can cross that out. If you've got number 2, you can cross that out. If you've got the number 7, cross that out. If you've got the number 10, you can cross that out. Oh, how many numbers have I got left? If you've got the number 6, you can cross that out. Hopefully now everyone's got all their numbers crossed out. I'm just going to check. Have you all got your numbers crossed out? I wonder how quick you'll manage to get them crossed out. If you've got them crossed out after the first 3 numbers, that's amazing. It's like you could read my mind. Okay, we're going to move on now to our next bit. We're going to be looking at filling in some missing numbers. Okay, so this is our first number line that we've got. And you can see that we've got a few gaps on our number line with some missing numbers. What I want you to do is in your books is to see if you can fill in, so write your number line out. So starting from 0, 0, 1, 2. What's this number here going to be? And then 4. What's that number? What's that number? 7, 8, and 10. Okay, see if you can do that. Pause the video now quickly, have a quick go at that, and we'll come back and we'll go through this one together. Okay? Okay, right, ready. Hopefully you've all got that done now. We're going to have a go at filling in our missing numbers. I'm just going to get my pencil ready. So, if we have 0, 1, 2, what number should you have got here? I hope we should all know that this is the number 3. There. Give yourselves a little tick if you got that right. Then we have 1 more than 3, which is 4. What is 1 more than 4? Is it the number 5? Have I got this right? I hope so. Good. And then if it's 1 more than 5, what would it be? Down to this one here. Would it be 11? No, I don't think so. I think it would be the number 6. Is that right? I hope I'm getting a thumbs up from you guys. Next one. 7, 8. What's this number here? Have you got the number 9? If you have, super. Give yourself a tick if you've got all 4 of those ones right. We're going to move on to the next one. Right, our next video. Oh, we're not starting at 0 this time. We're starting from a different number. We're starting from the number 7. Okay, so we should be good at knowing what is 1 more than 7. What is 1 more than 7, guys? Yeah, that's right. 8. We've got 8. So we need to write an 8 in there. Very hard to write an 8 with your finger on the iPad. 9, 10, 11. What's 1 more than 11? What's 1 less than 14 to work this one out? It's 14. What's the number before 14? And then what is 1 more than 14? Have a go at those ones, see if you can get them right. So 1 more than 11, the number that comes next after 11 is the number 12. 1 less than 14 and 1 more than 12 is the number 13. And in this last gap, 1 more than 14 would be 15. Brilliant. On to this one. Our numbers are getting a bit bigger now. So we're not going to know. What are we starting with this time? How are we going to work that one out? Have a think if you're having a go at this one. So pause the video now and have a go and see if you can fill in those 4 gaps. And we go back through them together in a second. Okay, so this one's a bit trickier because we don't know what our first number is. But we're really good at working out what number is 1 more and what number is 1 less. So if we had 16 and there was 1 less, what would our number be? That's right, it's 15. Give yourselves a tick if you've got that one. Then we go 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. What is 1 more than 19? It's 20. And remember, we have the 2 comes first for 20, because that is in our tens column, and then the 0 after, which is in our ones column. Okay, so we have 20, 21, 22. What's 1 more than 22? 23. Tick these off if you've got them right. Ooh. And last number here, what is 1 more than 24? Next in our number line, 25. That's fantastic. Lovely. We have got 2 more to do. Let's see if we can do these ones super quickly. Right. Oh, what's happening with this number line? Let's start this counting together. So we start on 17, 17, 16, 15, 14. It looks like we're counting backwards. Okay, so what if we're counting backwards? What comes next after 14? Nearly gave you the answer then. I'll help you out. 13 there. Let's see if you can get these other 3 now done. If you just pause the video, have a go in your maths books. Give yourselves a tick after we've got them right. Let's have a look. Great, so carrying on, if we're counting backwards, we've got 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12, 11. What's this one going to be? Like a countdown, not a countdown for a rocket. 10, 9, 8, 7. See if you can finish the countdown. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic. Give yourselves a tick if you've got those 4 in those gaps. Right. Another go here now. Oh, this looks like we might have another counting backwards one, but we're starting from the number. What is this number here? 21, that's right. So 21, if we're going backwards, we then have 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, good, 15, 14, 13, and this one here is 12. Lovely, give yourselves some tips if you've got that right. Well done for working out all of our missing numbers.